Introducing FastKlean Eco Team, eco-friendly and green cleaning services in London. 100% eco-friendly and green cleaning services. FastKlean Eco Team. While it is a popular cleaning solution, bleach is not nearly as harmless as you think. In this video, we want to share why we don't recommend using bleach. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. The dangers of bleach. The main problem with bleach is that it causes irritation to the eyes, skin and lungs. People suffering from breathing problems, such as asthma, are particularly vulnerable to the vapors of this cleaner. Bleach can also burn human tissue. This is a good enough reason to avoid any exposure to bleach whatsoever. The ingredients are highly reactive with ammonia and the acids in various cleaning products, such as drain cleaners. It produces toxic gases, which are very dangerous and can cause severe physical problems. With so many alternatives to bleach, there is no point in resorting to it. For example, you can use lemon and salt for cleaning the same surfaces that you'd use bleach on. The results will be outstanding. Follow our channel as we explore the options and give you better and healthier cleaning solutions to use around your home.